Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale, this is a Honda Fireblade SP. Little Bobby Dazzler is this, really nice. A couple of cheeky extras, but we'll get to them in a second. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 878 miles, so it's only just been run in. What do you get with these SP versions? So you get the massively up-rated suspension on these, so you got your Öhlins electronic suspension on these. Also you get the Brembos on there, absolute stonking braking power there. You get the full TFT display on the new Fireblades, really nice. You got your engine braking, you got your traction control, you got your power modes, things like that. Right, Bobby Dazzler. This one's got a tail tidy and Leo Vinci exhaust on there as well, so it sounds as good as it looks. Quickly show you the displays. I'll give it a start up. Also on this, it's also got a quick shifter. Right, let's give it a start up so we can hear it as well. It really does sound as good as it looks. What an absolute belter. It's more like a little cheeky MotoGP bike. Anyway guys, all you need to do, bob down to Jordan Bikes, simply give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.